Hello everyone, this is how to factory reset this wireless N repeater, sometimes sold under the brand WiFiTron. On the side of the access point or repeater is a reset hole which is below the network socket that's on it. So left hand side, reset hole. I'll let you know when I'm pressing that and when I'm going to let go. I'm going to press it now. And the power light has started flashing. I'm now going to let go. So that was about 7 seconds, maybe 8 seconds, until the power light started blinking rapidly. And that's how you factory reset this Wi-Fi repeater. Hopefully the video has been helpful to you. If it has, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the video notifications switched on, but the subscriber numbers really do help. Thank you very much.